Guys, G-Dragon Forever here, and today I taped the camera to a remote control car. You might be able to hear it. We're outside. We're gonna drive it around.
Hi.
I just hope I don't drive into the pool. Yeah, Cole, stop.
Okay.
So let's go.
You drive so fast.
No, we're not gonna go light speed yet. That will be the finale. Don't fall in. No, it's gonna fall in. No. Don't fall in. Go backwards. Okay, I made it.
That's a look at.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna feel how cold it is.
Yeah, it must be really cold. You guys might not be able to feel this, but in my first video ever, I put my hand in a pool. In this pool.
Legs.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna put my hand. That's cold. That is really cold. That's cold.
I really
That's
like
very
this
cold.
shirt. This is
I have my favorite shirt on right now. Hashtag LOLs. This is hashtag favorite shirt. But yeah, I think the video is gonna end soon, so it's time for the finale.
Go.
Light speed.
Light speed.
So that will be the end of my video. If you liked it, body slam that like button in the face.
Like a boss.
No, not like a boss.
Just like a pro.
Yeah, like a pro. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
G-Dragon signing off. Sorry about that.